Well, Saturday morning here, and I think we're gonna pluck away at the old Winnie here. So let's get started.
Your shadow stretching on the floor while the sun gets low. I got a feeling that the glow deep inside my core needs to breathe to flow. We push it right on through.
So nice to be able to have a place to store stuff finally, but we're working on it.
Because we have been working hard right from the very start. Who knew we get this far? But now it's time for us to stay out until it's late. We've come a long, long way, so we deserve it, mate. Call it a day and celebrate.
Once again, the old chair comes out.
Let's celebrate.
I'd help, but it's funner to watch him struggle.
Let's celebrate. Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. No.
So yeah, just got a little bit of free time, so working on the Winnebago, getting some floor done, using the product that we do already have instead of buying more. We're on lockdown here in Alberta.
And so with great reluctance, we are asking Albertans to limit their holiday gatherings to the members of their household or to too close contacts for people who live by themselves.
Which means it's pretty much not advised to leave your house. You're not allowed to have anyone over. You're not allowed group gatherings. So a little bit bored and figured, hey, why not pluck away? I think the next task after we're done doing the flooring in here is going to be getting some cheap carpet for up in the crew, in the cockpit, cab, whatever you want to call it, and get that cleaned up.
You can call me stupid. Listen, you can call me.
We'll be working on this in the future too, but we've been holding off until we can get in, and we got the PEX lines, but we got to go get all the PEX fittings. Oh, and most important part, we're gonna have to get a custom water tank probably, or find one that's gonna fit to the style of dinette bench that we did. Some things just go unnoticed. I mean, we knew these were here, but we have just never removed them. Daughter just pointed them out. Man, adding in flooring and getting rid of that ugly brown color and the cleaning it up makes the world of a difference.
Yep.
Oh, what did he do? What did you do?
This is the piece that I was cutting.
Oh, well, start over.
No, it's fine.
Looking good, guys. And I think what we're gonna do back here is we're gonna do a transition. We're gonna do a transition into linoleum probably. We have some leftover linoleum, I think, from our house, which has some gray in it, which will go quite nice, especially being in the bathroom area with the shower and tub. So it's very easy to get discouraged in a project like this. There's no guidebook, any rules or what you're supposed to do. I guess you just ask other people opinions, do what we're doing, make some YouTube videos about it, do your research. And like I said, it's very easy to get discouraged and then not want to have to do any work on it. However, sometimes days like this where you start making a little bit of progress, getting some floor done and making it nice, gives you a sense of accomplishment and keeps you going. Also, your guys' likes, supports, and comments really help us out as well. They give us ideas, and even though some of the comments may be too late, hey, if we ever have to redo anything, or if we ever do another vintage restoration, which might be in the future, maybe one day we'll do a trailer restoration or something. But yeah, it is fun. So don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button, and follow us along.
Hammer over there? Yeah, it's right next to me.
Always looking for the tools. I don't know. He works in this small little spot, and like every 2 seconds, always yelling, "Where's the hammer? Where's the pen?" Anyways, Putting in the last little piece there. I swear, every time I go to talk, he's pounding away. I think he does it on purpose.
One more piece.
And we will still have to do, like I said, probably the linoleum in the washroom and the trim pieces, but that will be for another day because we want to finish off a few more things before we get into doing the trim and the final touches. We still have to do trim pieces all around the entire RV, so we just figured let's get all the big stuff done, and then we can do all the trim pieces towards the end, kind of finishing touches. I keep saying we're gonna work on the carpet and the cab next, and then I keep saying we're gonna work on the bed next, so I don't know, you guys tell us what you think we should do next. The last piece of the puzzle is usually the easiest, however when doing RV flooring, it's usually the hardest piece. This is our second go around at RV flooring, and it's just as hard the second time.
That looks good. This guy pulls out.
You think it looks nice?
We got time on our
Time
side.
to call it quits for the day.
When I stayed home, I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive, and the time that we share.
Ooh, look at that sunset.
Got this blaze on.
Always clearing snow.
You feel like we got something strong.
Actually can't complain. We've had a gorgeous winter so far, so other than getting a lot of snow, which is slowly melting, really can't complain.
May come as a surprise that we